Hey there, lovelies. It's Holly with Golden Studio Creations, and I thought that I'd try creating a longer painting process video. Today, I only used one color of oil paint, and I thinned it out with Gamblin's solvent-free gel, which you'll see right here. This is the inspiration for the light rays that I used in this video, and you can see that it was followed loosely at best. My inspiration for this piece was more of a feeling. I wanted the viewer to feel somewhat trapped within a spooky dark space and to be looking outside where it's all bright and sunny. I think that if I were to begin this painting again, I would definitely have added more elements outside the window and contrasted it better with the use of more colors and flowers outside the window. It was pretty bold of me, as you can see here, not to use tape for this process when trying to create the straight lines, because I have really shaky hands and the big brush strokes aren't perfect, obviously, but it helped that I used more of the movement like in my arm as opposed to my hands and wrists, so they turned out okay. And as someone who never took a college painting course, I'm not sure what type of brush I used initially, but it is a stiff rectangular shaped brush, which is what I used to map out the initial lines. And then I went in with a mop brush to really blend everything. Right now I've got the rectangular brush, and you'll see the mop brush in a moment. Keep in mind, I used a lot of the gel initially, the solvent gel, so that it didn't end up being like thick brush strokes. I'm trying to make the light seem semi-transparent, kind of like they would be in real life. Right here, I'm stepping back, and that's just so that I can look at the process of the painting and like what it looks like as a whole. Honestly, I'm intimidated to try to create a time-lapse for a full painting, especially because I love to paint at night, but obviously this means that the lighting is really bad, and I don't want to have a bunch of big lights that I have to carry around, so bear with me while you only see like a small part of this painting. At this point, I would like to point out that the painting still isn't complete. I need to add some details, like some to the flowers and some details to the mushrooms, and especially the butterfly. I haven't really done anything to him aside from a initial color. Also, I'm thinking about adding a spider web or some additional leaves to that top left corner of the piece in order to really allow the eye to like draw from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. I think that would be kind of nice. And you know, if anybody does actually watch this, I'd love if you commented your favorite types of art videos to watch. Thanks, and subscribe if you want. Bye.